Uranium is back in the spotlight. The whispers of a potential nuclear energy renaissance have investors searching for the next big winner in this volatile sector. Today on Stocks Telegraph, we're setting our sights on a lesser-known player, Energy Fuels, trading under the ticker symbol UUUU. Energy Fuels isn't your typical household name in the energy sector, but this under-the-radar uranium explorer and producer has some investors buzzing about its potential for high returns. Could Energy Fuels be the next big sleeper hit in the uranium boom? Or is it a risky gamble? Before we dive into the uranium market and unpack Energy Fuels' story, let's take a quick look at the company's recent financials. We'll see if the numbers support the narrative of a potential high flyer. Stay tuned as we analyze Energy Fuels' operations, explore the uranium sector's outlook, and weigh the risks and rewards of investing in this intriguing underdog. We'll help you decide if Energy Fuels deserves a spot on your watch list or if it's best to leave this one buried. Now, let's get down to brass tacks and see if Energy Fuels' financials back up the hype. First off, the current share price sits at $6.16. That's a significant distance away from its 52-week high, suggesting there could be room for growth. Analyst sentiment seems to agree. The average analyst target price for Energy Fuels is a healthy $9.88, representing a potential upside of over 60%. This optimism is likely fueled by the company's impressive growth figures. Energy Fuels boasts a staggering 223% projected EPS growth for next year. That's paired with a solid 49% sales growth over the past 12 months and a nearly 30% jump in quarterly revenue. These numbers paint a picture of a company on an upward trajectory. Energy Fuels currently has zero debt. A debt-free balance sheet is a major positive, indicating financial stability and the potential for future acquisitions or investments. So, what are the potential roadblocks? Remember, the uranium sector is inherently volatile. While the potential for a nuclear renaissance exists, it's not guaranteed. Additionally, Energy Fuels is a smaller player compared to industry giants. We'll delve deeper into the uranium market's future, analyze Energy Fuels' competitive landscape, and explore the risks and rewards of investing in this intriguing underdog. We'll equip you with the information you need to decide if Energy Fuels deserves a spot on your watch list or if this high-risk, high-reward play is best left for seasoned investors. Now let's unpack the bullish narrative surrounding Energy Fuels. It all boils down to a classic economic principle: supply and demand. As the demand for uranium potentially rises with the prospects of a nuclear renaissance, a constrained supply could lead to significant price appreciation. This scenario paints Energy Fuels as an intriguing opportunity for long-term investors willing to take calculated risks. Here's why Energy Fuels' story gets even more interesting. The company, headquartered in Lakewood, Colorado, focuses its exploration and evaluation efforts on uranium deposits within the United States. This domestic focus becomes particularly relevant in light of a recent political development. Congress moved to ban unirradiated, low-enriched uranium imports from Russia. This decision aims to bolster domestic uranium production and reduce reliance on a potentially unreliable source. The U.S. Energy Information Administration reports that U.S. nuclear power plants currently import roughly 12% of their uranium from Russia. Once again, we see the supply and demand equation at play. This political move potentially reduces the supply of uranium available in the U.S. market, potentially creating a windfall for domestic producers like Energy Fuels. However, it's crucial to remember that the uranium market remains volatile. While the potential for a nuclear revival exists, it's not guaranteed. While the potential for a domestic uranium boom is exciting, Energy Fuels offers more than just a play on this specific trend. The company is also making strides in the rare earth minerals market, indicating a commitment to diversification. But let's not forget their core business. Despite the diversification efforts, Energy Fuels remains a key player in the uranium mining space. In fact, they recently reported impressive sales figures, having sold 300,000 pounds of uranium concentrate in the first quarter of 2024. Looking ahead, the future appears even brighter. If market conditions hold steady, Energy Fuels has the potential to significantly ramp up production, reaching a run rate of up to 5 million pounds of uranium concentrate per year in the coming years. This translates to significant revenue-generating opportunities, especially if uranium prices remain elevated. However, we understand that some investors might be wary of resource companies due to potential financial instability. Here's where Energy Fuels breaks the mold. As mentioned earlier, the company boasts a debt-free balance sheet. This financial strength provides a significant advantage and frees up capital for future investments and growth initiatives. Furthermore, Energy Fuels isn't just financially stable, it's also profitable. Their first quarter 2024 results showcased a net income of $3.64 million, demonstrating their ability to turn a profit and generate shareholder value. So, is Energy Fuels a high-return sleeper hit waiting to happen? The company certainly has a lot going for it. A potential domestic uranium boom, impressive sales figures, the ability to scale production, a debt-free balance sheet, and profitability all paint a compelling picture. However, we can't ignore the risks. The uranium market remains volatile, and the success of a nuclear renaissance is uncertain. Additionally, Energy Fuels is a smaller player compared to industry giants, and the rare earth minerals market they're entering also comes with its own set of challenges. Before you jump in, it's crucial to do your own research and understand your risk tolerance. Energy Fuels presents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity that might not be suitable for all investors. Here on Stocks Telegraph, we provide the information you need to make informed investment decisions. We encourage you to consider all the factors at play before adding Energy Fuels to your portfolio. Thanks for joining us on Stocks Telegraph. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Energy Fuels, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more stock analysis videos. In the comments below, let us know your thoughts on the future of uranium and Energy Fuels' place in the market.